Are you in jail? Were you a bad puppy? Are you mad? Did you get locked in jail? Are you going to break the jail down? Are you in trouble? Were you bad? What's wrong, Bella? Are you pouting? Are you a bad puppy? Were you bad? Are you whining? Are you whining? You don't get to go bye-bye? Oh. Oh, poor Bella. It's not fair. It's just not fair, is it? You're so mistreated.